I'm taking the front passenger seat out of my 95 Honda Accord. I've got a water leak getting in when it rains, so I'm trying to dry out the carpet. That's why I'm taking it out. The only way to get this dried out properly is going to be to remove the passenger seat so that I can flip the carpet all the way over and expose the carpet padding underneath. I'm making another video about that water leak, but I wanted to make a short one to show you how you can take the front seats out. Now, I'm only taking out the front passenger seat, but the driver's seat would come out the same way. I'm starting with the 2 bolts in the front, so I have the seat slid all the way back. You'll need a 14mm socket and a standard flathead screwdriver. You need that screwdriver to pop off these plastic covers. The bolts are underneath. There we go. There's 1, 3 more to go. Now let me slide the seat forward to give me room to get the ones in the back. Same thing in the back, 2 covers, 2 bolts. And I broke that one, so be careful of that. There's a little plastic pin going down through that hole. Watch out for that. All right, one more. Kind of tricky to get a good angle on this one. This is the back right. Whew, there we go. All right, that's the last. So now with everything loose, it's just a matter of getting it out through the doorway. And it's as easy as that. I want to show you one thing underneath the driver's seat. You can see straight ahead that wiring harness. That leads to the seat belt, and that has to be disconnected before you can take the driver's seat out. That's the only difference between taking out driver's seat and passenger seat. I still haven't found the water leak, but I did get the carpet dried out, so I went ahead and put the seat back in, and I wasn't going to waste time showing you that because obviously it's just a reversal of the removal. Couple of suggestions though. Number 1, you saw me break this cover that goes over the bolt on the back left. Try your best not to do that because without this piece attached right here, this cover will not stay on. So I've got to reattach this with some JB Weld and then this should be fine, but be careful, don't do that. Also, when you're reinstalling the seat, I would suggest that you get all 4 bolts started before you tighten any of them all the way down. I started with the bolts in the back and I tightened them all the way down, and then when I came around to the front, I wasn't able to get the bolts started because the seat was just a little bit off. So I had to go back and loosen the bolts in the back so I could move the seat around a little bit to get the one started in the front. So I would suggest get all 4 bolts started before you tighten any of them all the way down. Other than those 2 suggestions, it's pretty straightforward. I guess that's it. Hope you got something out of this, and if you made it to the end, thanks for watching.